Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to hide the Instagram app on Android device. This can be helpful if you want to maintain privacy or reduce distractions without uninstalling the app. Let's walk through the steps. First, open your device settings. This is where most of the customization options are located on your Android phone. Scroll down and look for home screen. On some phones, this might be located under a different section like apps. Just go to settings and then use the search bar for easier search for home screen. Type in home screen, or just type in home and click on home screen. Once you're in home screen settings, look for an option that says hide apps or hidden applications. This feature is built into many Android devices. 2. The exact location and wording might vary slightly depending on the manufacturer. Just go to Hide Tabs and click on it. Now tap on Hide Tabs. This will open a list of all the applications installed on your phone. Scroll through this list until you find the Instagram app. Just scroll. It's ordered alphabetically, so you'll find it under the I section here. After selecting Instagram, confirm by tapping Apply or Done, depending on your device. At this point, the Instagram app will no longer be visible on your home screen or app drawer. However, it's important to know that the app is still installing and running in the background. It's just hidden from view. If you want to access Instagram, oh, I didn't confirm it. Hide apps. I'm gonna select Instagram and done. And now Instagram is hidden. If you ever want to access Instagram again, you can either search for it in your device settings under apps or unhide it by repeating these steps and deselecting the app from the hidden list. Some Android devices may also offer third-party launchers, which can provide even more control over app visibility. If your device doesn't have the hide app feature built in, you might consider downloading a launcher like Nova Launcher or Apex Launcher from the Play Store, which includes advanced options for hiding apps. And that's it. Now you know how to hide the Instagram app on your Android device. This is a simple and effective way to keep the app on your phone without it being easily accessible. Thank you for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like for more useful tips. I'll see you in the next video.